250.
It's moving around a lot.
Are you okay? Headquarters, 43 shots fired. It's going to be a gold Cadillac northbound on WD. Ascent at signal 5 and he's about to signal 4.
Yeah. For Bravo 54, signal 43.
I went around.
Bravo 54, where is your 1020?
Mercy and WD. Gold Cadillac SUV. Northbound of Mercy. I believe he just signaled forward on the east side about Colony, maybe a little north of there.
10-5.
I have the tag.
The tag is going to be 892.
He's running, I think. Maybe not.
I have 892. What's the rest?
There's somebody running westbound, possibly into the palms now.
Dude, that was
I knew
close.
it, dude. I saw it coming.
That was pretty close. 892 RGZ.
He signaled. He ran.
892
Romeo Golf. Zulu.
I almost
We're
got
gonna wait.
shot.
I know.
Pretty bad.
Huh? Yeah. Look at these bullets, dude.
Patrol 25 on the 6.
Patrol 25 is Route 54. We just got shot at. Shots returned. Vehicle was northbound on Mercy. Gold Cadillac SUV. I believe he signaled forward in the area of Colony. I believe somebody may have bailed out running westbound.
Bravo 54 250. We had somebody just shoot at us. Shots fired.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Headquarters, 43 shots fired. It's going to be a gold Cadillac northbound on WD. Ascent at signal 5 and he's about to signal 4.
Signal 43 for Bravo 54.
Dude, I just dropped to the ground.
I went around.
Bravo 54, where is your 1020?
Lake Lawn and Mercy.
WD, gold Cadillac SUV, northbound of Mercy.
Hey.
I believe you just signal forward on the east side. Colony, maybe a little north of there.
I have the tag. It's going to be 892.
He's running, I think. Maybe not.
I have 892. What's the rest?
There's somebody running westbound, possibly into the palms.
Dude, that was pretty close.
Dude. I saw it coming.
That was pretty close. 892 RGZ. 892 Romeo Golf Zulu. I almost got shot.
I
That's
know.
pretty bad.
Huh? Yeah. Look at these bullets, dude.
Patrol 25 on the
6. He may have. I saw somebody running across the street. We're still south of WD. Stopping at that vehicle.
We have a description. It says, can I give it out?
Yeah, go ahead.
Do we have any other units in the area?
They don't come never back.
What do we do? Do we just...
Still have a handgun, right?
I didn't see the handgun. I saw the guy.
You did?
Where? It's on the ground.
What's going on? What's wrong?
We need to shut Mercy down. Shut it down. Where's the gun? Mercy, please. Yo, where's the gun?
We got a black male down. We got. And he's down here. We need the fire department. Black male, conscious, barely breathing. Here, keep him at bay. I'm gonna render aid.